Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Danielle Naomi. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be collabing once again with ISEE Hair. They decided to send me over this gorgeous water wave wig. It is in 13x6 lace frontal wig, water wave like I said, and I'm loving it. I love how nice and soft the hair is. It's really affordable, so do not forget to go ahead and check the links in the description box if you'd like to purchase this unit off rip, which I would highly recommend, only because this hair is absolutely amazing. It's super soft, like butter, marshmallows. Like, the hair is nice and full, not super thick to the point where it's gonna be hot when you wear it. And this wig is also very much glueless, so I can take this off at night before I go to sleep. So it just works really perfect. And did I mention it's super affordable? Yeah, it definitely is. So again, the links will be in the description box for you to purchase if you would like to do so. I showed you guys how to do the signature swoop, so keep on watching if you'd like to see that, and let's jump into today's video. So this is a 28-inch wig from ISEE Hair. It is in water wave. I have wet my hair down using just a spray bottle with water, and I added conditioner as well. For today's video, I will be just gluing pretty much the portion of the side part that's gonna show, which is this side, and I'll leave this side unglued just because it'll be easier for me to take it off. And seeing that it is just a side part, even though I can do a middle part, I'll probably put the glue up to here. So just a little disclaimer, I won't be gluing down the whole unit, and that's totally fine because this side isn't gonna show regardless. But I'm loving the waves. The curls are cute. I love the pattern of this hair, and for 28 inches, it's giving 28 inches. So let's jump into today's tutorial. Okay babes, so this is the final look. This wig is 100% glueless. I'm gonna be able to take it off tonight when I go to bed. And so far so good. The 28 inches is definitely giving. So this wig, as you can see from the title, is from ISEE Hair, and they decided to send me a 28-inch water wave 13x6 lace frontal wig, and this is just what I did with it. You know, I just did, you know, my baby hairs where they're gonna be showing at, and a side part. I love side part like this. It's so cute. It gives like sew-in, like that little swoop effect that I did there, which you guys definitely saw in the tutorial. So for all the people who requested, how do you do your side parts? Like, how do you get the swoop to look like that? Here we have it. I'm loving the hair. It's really nice and soft, and it is actually a natural color 1B, but it gives jet black, and I love that. So definitely do not forget to go ahead and get your hands on this unit. I'm loving it. The price is really affordable, and the links for this wig will be in the description box for you to purchase if you'd like to do so. And as always, thank you so much to ISEE Hair for sending me this gorgeous wig. I'm in love with it, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye mamas.